caution, please use caution. His hearts can be broken, lies are spoken, eyes are open while a brother like me just kept on stroking. Hoping to find and align with my better half. Friends just laugh, but I stayed on that narrow path. Knowing that you would come through for me, dear. Release another piece of your heart and start giving it here.